my name is Erin. I'm reviewing the Crock-Pot slow cooker in this cute sagey green color. I love this one because I am not an experienced cook and it's just super easy and simple to use. It has these little notches on the side so that you can lock it closed. It's a good size. It's not humongous in comparison to me, if that helps. It's not huge and it's not too small. It's perfect for just a regular family size dish. All the pieces come apart. So again, the lid pops off. And then for cleaning, you can just take this inner piece out and those come apart. I also like this one because it doesn't have a bazillion settings to learn. It's literally just high, 4-hour, 6-hour, low, 8-hour, 10-hour, off, and then the power button. So simple, so easy to use, and we've used it for multiple dishes now, and it's just super convenient. So if you're looking for a great option, this is a classic.